Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 23 in the collection. It's let's get on the light a little bit. Another McCulloch Pro Mac 610. And almost identical to the 650 that we did several videos on. That goofy handguard still. And first thing you notice is the white breather cover. I used to think that these came with that white cover, but until I actually got this saw. But no, the inside of it's yellow. Down low is still yellow. It was just a batch of them that color faded out of. And all this time I thought they came with white covers. Okay. Everything's the same, just about. Alright. Dog on one side. You can get 2 dogs for these, but this one don't have it. Oil there, you need a funnel for that. Gas is great. Off and on. Manual override for the oil. Got automatic. Off and on. Plug. Pro Mac 16. This saw and another one were given to us by a couple at work. They gave us this and an old S10 steel. This one was rough, coated in grease, hadn't been running years. The chain is seized up on it. Still needs a new chain. And the clutch needs work. And I don't care about that right now because it's up and running. So that's good enough for now. Alright. Pretty neat old saw. Let's start it. Want to see how it works. Clutch is not working right yet, but I might can fix that. Might just be stuck from setting so long. Okay. Basically identical frame wise to the 650 that we got. This one don't have a compression release. And does have a throttle lock, which very good viewers left a comment that the 650 did when I said it didn't, so there you go. That's why I love comments, because they do help. Now I know. So thank you. Alright, so there we have it. Saw number 23. McCulloch Pro Mac 610. Thanks for watching. Bye.